Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, those of you that are new and you know you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, and share. So, we would want to take a look at silver for this week. We want to know where this price will be moving for this week. So, in order to be able to understand this movement, guys, we would actually want to start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So, we would see it this way. So, the full trend for this silver is like a bearish move, right? You can see that this price is dropping, no doubt. I've also included this moving average, which will guide us. I'm using 10 period moving average, by the way. We all know the rules of trading this moving average is that once the price is above the moving average, then it is a buy. We have to go long, but once it is below it, then we have to sell. So we clearly can see that this price has been above this moving average, right? Which we actually went long, right? We bought it. Now this price is now dropping and it is below our 10 period moving average. So this is an indication that we are to short this silver, right? So we will see this movement. Let's start it from here. As this as the drop impulse move, and we will take this as the correction. Here comes the impulse move downward, and here is the correction on silver. Here again, we see this impulse move, right? Guess what we have got here? We see this correction. So what next do we expect on our silver? Definitely, we would be expecting a drop on the monthly time frame. So, like I said, a bearish move is coming, but are we going to have it this week? Well, I don't think so. We'll have it this week, but what we know is that silver, the bearish move for silver would be happening anytime soon. So just watch out for it. Bearish move is would be happening, is coming. So watch out so you would not be taken out, right? So silver, we're expecting a bearish move anytime soon. But we need to predict this price for this week. That is exactly what we want to see, right? And what we want to know. We would go down to the weekly time frame. So this weekly time frame will guide us. So if you take a look at this movement, right, price has been rejecting this level, right? We all know that once price has reacted to a level previously, especially if you are following this channel consistently, I do see it. Once price has reacted to a level previously and price gets to that same level, price will definitely react at that same level. We saw that this price has reacted to this level. Once price came to this level, it went up, rejected, bounce up. Price came to this level, rejected. We saw a rejection at this level, also again at this level. And guess what again? Once price kind of broke below it, we kind of had a pullback, and now price is at this same level. So what do we expect? A drop, right? So we would be expecting a drop, but as at now, we can see that we've kind of we saw this price, right, and price kind of gave us this red. So is this drop over, or has it started, right? I don't think it has started, and this is over yet. We just seen this drop, then we saw a bullish move, right? So we would want to see it move up a bit before it actually drop. Let's see if this price can make it to a level of 22% and $22 or 22.200 before we kind of see that drop. So for this week, right, we would want to see this silver actually roll up to a level of this 20. This candlestick week, it's actually has gotten to, which is a level of 32.200. So this is the level we should all be aiming for this week. Maybe next week, the upper next week, maybe then price can now start falling, right? If in case we would know, we would analyze it there, we would check out for any news that will be released. But as at now, the goal is to actually move this price from this level it is trading, which is 21.449. Let us take this bullish move or a buy straight to a level of 22.200, right? So we will be aiming for a level of 22.200 on this silver. So you kind of add like how many percentage, 2% move here. So if this price can open from here and goes to this week, we'll be having about 3%, right? Close to 4%, which is at least still not bad. So from 21.449 to a level of 22.200 is exactly what we want to what we should aim for this week. And one of the reasons is that I think this is kind of like a pullback, and the pullback is bullish. Well, I don't think the bullish move is over yet, so you can count this as an uptrend move. Here would be the correction, and now this is a new highs that broke this previous highs, right? And here comes the correction. Here is a new highs that has been made, and guess what? We've had a little bit of a correction. So if in case this will continue to go up, right, if in case it will continue to go bullish, then we would actually see it tap a level of 22.200. And if it will continue to drop, right, then we should actually see it come here, tap this to 22.200, then serve as a double top before it continues to drop. So the targets we would be watching out for on this gold is a level of 22.200 for the week. So that is it. That should now take us to the daily time frame. So you can see it here. You can see this price has dropped exponentially. So you can see, let's see it push up a little bit. Come, maybe it will then continue its bearish move on this silver. And if it will continue to go bullish, then fine, it should be able to break the level of 22.200. No problem. If it breaks above it, then we would go with the trade. We would go with the buy or the trend, right? Once it breaks above it, then we'll go up with it. And if in case it comes up and it starts dropping, then fine, there's no problem. We'll also drop it. So one of the goals or the targets is that we want to take out a level of 22.200. So because you can also see it here, this price has been reacting to this level. So it makes sense for price actually come to this same level, right, and react to it by dropping. So that should give us the 4 hour time frame. Well, you know that we want to go bullish, right? The 4 hour time frame kind of give us like a bearish move sometimes, right? Now it is correcting itself by giving us the bullish move. You can see that once it was giving us a lower highs and lower lows, right? Then all of a sudden the price is now correcting and giving us higher highs and higher lows. So this is one of the reasons why I still see this as an uptrend move. So I will consider this as an impulse. Here it will be the correction, or take this as a new highs. Here would be the correction, right? Makes sense. Let's go again. New highs, correction, new highs to take this lows before you can start seeing this lower lows and lower highs, or price might definitely break above it. So the goal we want to hit is a level of 32.200 on our silver for this week.